we're gonna go down a blue trail here in Tokul, but we're gonna make sure it's the right one. So yeah, if you go down the trail, you want to stay to the left. Whoa. Okay. That was a start.
It's split already?
That was a split already. Woo! Way better now. Can actually stop. Stump drop. Oh! There's one. Kind of hit that like a bitch. Oh, that's a big one. Woo! Oh shit, that's loose. That's loose. Ooh, that's slippy. Oh, a little flow action here. Mine is. Whoa! Here's one for you. Oh! God damn it! That's what would have happened to me. I just fucking chucked that. Oh. Yeah, we're gonna clean up this. Clean up your mess, son. Whoa, janky. Droppy. Slippy. Oh, cool. That was actually pretty cool. I never know what's coming up, so I'm just kind of winging it. Puddles. Okay, this looks doable here. Smash it. Uh-oh. Okay, we're good. Another root. Oh, that was cool. Yeah, you're right. Whoa. Oh, yeah, that was not that. No. Okay, here we go. We're gonna do some megawatt. Heard it was a hard one. Only one way to find out. Oh! Whoa! There we go. Puddle. Oh well. Oh, here we go. Oh. Oh, whoa, what was that? Oh, fuck. Oh, toe tab. This is dope. This is fucking slippery. Double or single black goosey. Goose poos. Remember that big ass? Oh, somebody already kicked it out. Uh-oh. Yeah. I'm in trouble. Whoa. Woo! Woo! Yeah, that kind of fucked up that jump. That big ass puddle. Oh, shit. Well, that paid for itself. Those just paid for themselves. Oh! Yeah! I just totally caught a pedal there. Here we go. All right, here's the chute. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there's another one here too. Kind of. Tuck it. Oh, I didn't see that. Ooh. Oh shit. God damn it. There's that rock. Made it down here. Oh. Woo! Come on, baby. Woohoo! Yeah! All right, little free ride section. It's too fun. Oh, I missed that one. Oh. That was almost the end right there. Again? God damn, those are slippery. Ah, that's it. I literally lost all front tire grip. How did I make it down so clean going way faster? I almost biffed it. That was a sign to stop right there.